So, the Pixel 10 series may still be months away, but anticipation is already building for Google's next flagship lineup. Rumors of a new Tensor G5 chip and improved biometric features suggest this could be Google's most advanced Pixel yet. According to Android headlines, the Pixel 10 series will include 4 models: Pixel 10 codenamed as Frankel, Pixel 10 Pro as Blazer, Pixel 10 Pro XL as Mustang, and Pixel 10 Pro Fold as Rango. These codenames, inspired by horse breeds, suggest a continuation of the varied lineup introduced with the Pixel 9 series. There's also mention of the Pixel 9a, codenamed Tegu, though details remain scarce. Google's Pixel phones are known for their exceptional computational photography, and the Pixel 10 series is expected to refine this strength further. While hardware upgrades like larger sensors or updated lens configurations might appear, the real magic is likely to come from software innovations. AI-driven features could enhance night sight, astrophotography, and portrait mode, improving image quality even in challenging conditions. Video capabilities may also see significant improvements. Following the introduction of Video Boost in the Pixel 8 series, the Pixel 10 is rumored to provide even better stabilization and clarity, appealing to mobile videographers. Tools like Zoom Enhance are expected to use AI to deliver sharper zoomed-in shots without requiring bulkier hardware. Features such as Add Me and Reimagine, introduced with the Pixel 9, are anticipated to evolve further, offering users innovative options for editing photos creatively. Leaked information from Google's G-Chips division hints at the potential of the Tensor G5 chip. Expected upgrades include 4K HDR video recording at 60 FPS, an improvement over the Pixel 9's 30 FPS limit, and AI-based editing features like generative AI-based intuitive video editing. On-device processing for Stable Diffusion models may also enhance generative editing without cloud reliance. As for the release timeline, Google might follow the Pixel 9's August 2025 debut, though it could return to its traditional October launch schedule. With all these rumored features, the Pixel 10 series promises to set a new standard for Google's flagship smartphones. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 10 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.